Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Shares fell worldwide Tuesday due to supply chain woes, surging costs, and slowed manufacturing output. Wall Street saw the Nasdaq Composite drop 2.35% and the S&P 500 lose 0.81% due to investors shifting to defensive positions. All major European sectors saw broad declines in Europe, with retailers and luxury stocks leading the charge. After Lagarde's comments, the US dollar index fell to a near one-month low. The dollar index dropped 0.362%, while the euro rose 0.39% to $1.0731. The tight supply and concerns about a possible recession offset worries about oil prices. The safe haven metal rose in gold prices as a result of a weaker US dollar and lower Treasury yields. Asian Pacific market. The U.S. President Joe Biden's Monday comment that he is considering easing China's tariffs and Beijing's continued promises of stimulus provided some relief for markets. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand was the latest central bank in New Zealand to increase interest rates by half point. Although it was expected, the move also gave hawkish direction on its policy course. This caused the Kiwi dollar to rise by as much as 0.8%. Reaching a peak of $0.6514 after 3 weeks. Japan maintained its overall economic outlook unchanged in May. It said it was showing signs of improvement and removed a reference to the coronavirus from its headline assessment for first time since the outbreak. Yesterday, the USD-JPY currency pair fell below the 127 level. Today, it is testing that area. Market of Europe. Christine Lagarde, Chief European Central Bank, stated that she expected the ECB to have its deposit rate at 0 or slightly above by September. This would indicate a 50 basis point increase in the bank's ability to fight inflation. Today, the euro was facing resistance at $1.0750 and fell lower. British employers raised average salaries by 4% in the 3 months to March. This was the largest increase since 1992, but far behind inflation, according to a Wednesday survey. On Wednesday, the pound gained some ground against a weakening euro. Market of America. Investors expect a series 50 basis point rate increases over the next few months. This fuels fears that the central banking could cause a recession. Tuesday's data showed a waning economic momentum, with new home sales plummeting and business activity slowing. Investors' risk appetite was dampened by fears that aggressive measures to curb decades-high inflation could lead to a recession in the U.S. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.